I already primed my eyes with the Milani eyeshadow primer, and then I already put NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk on my eyes. Today I want to use the LA Colors Shadow by Number quad, and it just looks like this. And this is in Rocket Science, and it's just a whole bunch of like smoky gray colors. So I figured since the last few days have been rainy and gloomy, I'll just, do makeup in conjunction with that. And also, I haven't really done a gray look in a while. I might brush. I'm gonna take this one right here, and I'm just gonna go into number 3, and this is just like a taupey gray color. It has a shimmer to it, but it's predominantly matte. It's like a matte color with sparkles, and normally sparkles don't show up. So I'm just gonna put that into the crease. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take number 4, and this is just like a like dark slate grayish color with kind of like a blue undertone, and it has blue sparkles in it, if you can see that. And I'm just gonna deepen that outer corner and outer part of the crease just a little bit more. I'm just taking it on a dense rounded brush. It's so funny because when I was like first starting out in makeup, when I heard smoky eye, I always thought it was predominantly a gray / silver and black like shadow look. I always thought that was like what a smoky eye was, like just black and silver and gray. Like I didn't realize that to have a smoky eye is basically how you do your shadow. Like it's a technique. So I got this a while ago. Well, it was in one of my previous hauls, and it's the LA Colors liquid eyeshadow in Smokin', and it's just like a very metallic silver color. I kind of want to use it on my eyes, so we're just gonna do that and see how this goes. And pat it out. Even though I think that's really, really pretty on its own, I think I'm going to bump it up a little bit and add like a silver shadow over top. I'm just going to take the the Elsa palette from ColourPop. It's just from their Frozen 2 collection. And I'm going to take a concealer brush like this one. And I'm just going to go into the color Ice Crystals. And it's just like a very, very metallic silver color. I'm just going to pat that over top. Boost. There we go. That is so much better. Now, don't get me wrong, I do love this, and if you want like if you want a subtle, like silver metallic eye, this will be perfect. But I just wanted to bump it up a little bit. Loving how that silver turned out. It's very, very pretty. A highlight, and I'm just gonna use my favorite highlight that I normally do. This one right here. Sorry if I blinded you. And I just take that on a concealer brush. So what I'm going to do is I'm not going to do a wing or anything. I'm just going to do a really thin line on the top lower lash, or on the top lash line, because I think that it would look a lot like more better. I'm just going to use the NYX That's the Point like eyeliner marker. And I'm not going to do a wing. I'm just going to follow my natural eye shape. You don't want to go too thick. You just want to go as close to the lash line as you can, just so there's no gaps. So now what I'm going to do is going to put on some mascara. L'Oreal Voluminous. I did my whole like face routine, and on the cheeks I just have the Wet n Wild Color Icon blush in Mellow Wine. It's just a nice deep, not too deep, but it's like a dark wine color, and I was very like gentle with it because this is pigmented and I didn't want like too harsh of a blush. Contoured, powdered, concealered, and I don't even think concealer is a word, but whatever. In my waterline, I have the cream gel liner in Swerve. It's just the black liner from ColourPop. We all know how I feel about ColourPop and their products. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some shadow underneath the eyes, like always. And I'm just going to take the same palette, the Rocket Science one from LA Colors. And I'm just going to take this shade right here. Just shade 4. I'm just going to take this same concealer brush and just get it on the tip of the brush. And just run it along my lower lash line. If you want to do a deeper shadow underneath the eyes, you definitely can. Or you could also add lashes. But I like how it is right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do an inner corner highlight. And I think I'm just going to go back into that ice crystal color, which is that really shimmery silver. And I'm just going to go in pencil brush. It's going to do like a icy white highlight. And this is from the BH Cosmetics Duo Light Highlight Color 9-color palette. And this is called Top Secret. And it's just a shimmery white color right here. Like, look how pretty that is. I'm gonna take a fluffy brush like this, get on my brush, and highlight. Oh, that's pretty. This is the setting brush, but it works perfectly as a highlighting brush. Really like that color. Next thing to do is lips, and I'm kind of torn. I have this like really dark, like vampy red that would look really amazing. And then I also have this like gray metallic. We're gonna try the gray metallic. I'll probably and this is the NYX Liquid Suede Metallic Matte in Go Rogue. This isn't like completely conventional, and the lipstick application could have been better, but there's that option. Or there's this option, and I really like this option. Dark purple, and it's the NYX Liquid Suede, but this is the cream lipstick, and this is in Oh Put It On, and it looks just like this. It's a dark purple. It just shows up black. Well, it appears black, but it's like a dark purple. And I know that this took like a dark vampy turn, but like I said, it's gloomy today, and I just decided, why not? This is a completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe, and have a good day.